Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. It's like a powerful new engine driving innovation in many fields. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already making its mark. As we look ahead to 2025, AI's influence will only grow stronger, transforming industries and the job market. One of AI's superpowers is its ability to boost efficiency. Imagine a warehouse where robots manage inventory, or a customer service center where chatbots answer basic questions. These are just two examples of how AI is streamlining operations in various sectors. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows human workers to focus on more creative and complex responsibilities. This increased efficiency leads to higher productivity and faster results. Businesses can operate more smoothly and customers can enjoy quicker service and delivery times. AI isn't limited to simple tasks. It's also evolving to handle more complex responsibilities. In healthcare, AI can analyze patient data and assist doctors in making quicker and more accurate diagnoses. In law, AI can sift through thousands of documents in seconds, helping lawyers find crucial information for their cases. This ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns makes AI a valuable tool for professionals in many fields. It frees up their time and mental energy, allowing them to focus on critical thinking, problem-solving, and building relationships with clients or patients. The rise of AI naturally raises concerns about job displacement. It's true that some jobs currently performed by humans will be automated in the future. This has happened throughout history with every major technological advancement. Think about the invention of the automobile. It replaced horse-drawn carriages and the jobs associated with them. However, it also created countless new jobs in manufacturing, transportation, and other industries. Similarly, while AI will automate certain tasks, it will also create entirely new job categories. We'll need skilled professionals to develop, implement, and maintain AI systems. Data scientists, AI trainers, and machine learning engineers will be in high demand. Moreover, AI will foster the growth of new industries and business models we can't even imagine yet. Just like the internet revolutionized how we communicate, shop, and consume information, AI will unlock possibilities we're only beginning to explore. As we move forward, it's crucial to focus on upskilling. This means continuously learning new skills to stay relevant in an ever-evolving job market. By doing so, we can better adapt to the changes brought by AI and other technological advancements. It's not just about surviving, but thriving in the future of work. Remote work has become more prevalent, and with it, the rise of global teams. AI plays a significant role in facilitating seamless communication and collaboration across different time zones and cultures. Embracing remote work can lead to increased productivity and access to a diverse talent pool from around the world. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented rate. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, AI is driving efficiency and innovation. It's reshaping how businesses operate and how services are delivered. Understanding these changes can help us better navigate the future landscape of various industries. Embracing the AI revolution means being open to change and willing to adapt. It's about leveraging AI to enhance our capabilities and improve our lives. By staying informed and proactive, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone. Let's embrace this exciting journey together.